Magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat at minasama po. Today we'll celebrate the first Kadayawan Festival.
Good afternoon, sir. Hindi po si Bruno Mars na Mayong hapon, ganito tanan.
Mayong hapon.
At parang wala akong marita. Nasaan ba kayo? Okay. Medyo summer na summer kasi kaya medyo focus na focus ang aking ulo kaya tinatakal ang ulo mamaya ko na po. Masyado kasi wala kayo tapos na siya. Siliwanag ito. Anyway, thank you very much for coming over. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Again, my partner here is Sharon.
Yes, my partner here is Attorney Ray. It's actually costumes from Filipino traditional costumes. So stay tuned lang po kayo.
So as you were able to see, medyo combination po yung pinapakita nila lahat ng mga yung kultura ng mga nandun sa bahaging timog ng ating bansa. So nandun yung ating pinapakita na rin ang pagsasama-sama ng kultura ng ating mga kapatid natin Muslim at ng mga Kristiyano dun sa Mindanao.
Yes. So we have so much in store for you this afternoon. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Okay?
Alright, so let's get down to the formalities first. And so wala pong programa ang hindi nagagawa, wala pong mga formal na pagsisimula. So for this afternoon, would like to call in the founder of the Dabaweños Organized Society for his welcome address. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Joseph Philip Panang.
Our distinguished guests, Honorable Valentino Mansa, Tourism Attaché, Honorable Sam Rimas, the Agriculture Attaché, friends, fellow leaders, fellow Dabaweños who came all the way from different prefectures, members of DOS and other FILCOM organizations present here today. Ladies and gentlemen, madayaw na hapon ng inyong tanan. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon everyone. Minasan, konnichiwa. The Dabaweños Organized Society, or DOS Japan, as it is simply called, was initially formed in spring of 2009 during a meeting in Shibuya with some Dabaweño friends. We have decided then to disseminate information of the existence of the group among fellow Dabaweños here. In September 2010, we have decided to register DOS Japan at the embassy as a legitimate FILCOM organization and have our first induction of officers in December that year. DOS Japan's main objective is to initiate charitable projects that will be benefited by less fortunate Dabaweño families and also to help enhance tourism in the region by promoting Davao City and the entire regional level. Kadayawan sa Tokyo 2011 is the first major project of this neophyte organization. We had the Kadayawan bowling tournament attended by some members of the Filipino community held last month as part of the festivity. For us, bringing Kadayawan Festival in Tokyo is the best way of promoting Davao City and Davao provinces, not only for Filipinos here, but also for the Japanese and international community. Aside from enhancing tourism in the region, Kadayawan sa Tokyo is also meant to raise funds for the charitable endeavor. Proceeds of this undertaking will be used for the construction of school classrooms in the poorest district in the region to give children in these areas the opportunity of having good education. The term Kadayawan is derived from the tribal group Hangaya. Madayaw means a warm and friendly greeting is used to explain a thing that is valuable, superior, beautiful, good, and profitable. Long time ago, Davao's ethnic tribes residing at the foot of Mount Apo would converge during a bountiful harvest. This ritual serves as their thanksgiving to gods, particularly to the Manama, or the Supreme Being. Various farming implements, flowers, fruits, vegetables, rice, corn grains were displayed on backs as villagers give their respect and thanks for the year's abundance. Singing, dancing, and offering to their divine protectors are the highlight of this ritual. This practice of Thanksgiving, or pahinungod, is still very much practiced by modern-day Gabowenyos. This tradition flourished and evolved into an annual festival of Thanksgiving. In 1970s, Mayor Elias B. Lopez, a Bagubo himself, initiated tribal festival featuring the Lumad or the Local tribe and the Muslim tribes of Davao City, where they were showcased their dances and rituals of Thanksgiving. Later in 1986, a program called Unlad Proyecto Davao was initiated by the government, which was aimed to unite the Gabowenyos after the turbulent martial law era. At the time, the festival called Apo Duwali, a name created from the famous icons of Davao. Mount Apo, the country's highest peak; Durian, the king of fruits; and Wali-Wali, the queen of orchids. Apo Duwali was meant to showcase the city as a peaceful destination to visit and do business after the 1986 EDSA revolution. Finally, in 1988, City Mayor Rodrigo Duterte renamed the festival as Kadayawan sa Davao to celebrate the bountiful harvest of Davao's flowers, fruits, and other produce, as well as the wealth of the city's culture. Today, Kadayawan has transformed into a festival of festivals, with a number of spin-off festivals in the region. The festival honors Davao artistic, cultural, and historical heritage. Its past, personified by the ancestral Lumad, its people as they celebrate on the street, and its plural industry and its representatives parade in full regalia, Thanksgiving for the blessings granted of the city. A celebration that interferes the three aspects: the tribal, industrial, art and entertainment. The festivities are highlighted with floral clothes, street dancing, competition, and exhibit that showcase the island's tourism products and services. Kadayawan sa Tokyo may not be as extravagant as the original Kadayawan Festival, but it will surely help project the good culture and image of the Gabowenyos. Kadayawan sa Tokyo will be going to be a trademark event and annual undertaking of those providers. Mayong hapon usap, kaninyong tanan.
ようこそ実はお越しいただき誠にありがとうございます。本日はカダヤワン東京フェスティバルということでございます。本日は日本に住んでいる多くのフィリピンの人たちとその家族の方々、また日本の友人の多くの方にもお越しいただきました。誠にありがとうございます。本日のカダヤワンフェスティバルの主催はゴスジャパンであります。ゴスジャパンとはフィリピン南部ダバオ市の出身者により運営されております自然チャリティー団体でございます。ゴスという言葉は英語で The Gabowenyos Organized Society の頭文字を取って TOS で付けられました。訳されたものでございます。ダバオエンヨーズとはダバオの人たちという意味があります。歴史はまだ浅く、2009年東京の渋谷にてダバオ市出身の方々で設立をいたしまして活動を始めました。2010年9月にはフィリピン大使館に登録しまして正式に協会として認定をされております。ゴスの主たる活動はダバオ市の町や人々に対しさまざまな慈善活動をすることにあります。余談ですが、最近は老後の人生を穏やかなフィリピンダバオで過ごそうという計画をしているところです くさん出ております。人気が出ているということでございます。去る3月31日、日本におきました東日本大震災におきましては、ロスとして、在日フィリピン人の方々に対し、義援金を拠出しまして、一時帰国の費用だとか、それから被災者への援助などを行いました。代表者はここにおります、ジョセフ・フィリップ・バナルさんでございます。日本において以前より他のフィリピン福祉協会の会長をしておりまして、さまざまな福祉活動をしております。ダバオ市にはまだまだ貧しい地域、貧しい学校等がございまして、学校そのものがない地域、それから小学校にも行けない子どもさんというのがいっぱいおりまして、ロス東京はまずその子どもたちのために小学校を作る計画をしております。本日のチャリティーショーはロスジャパンの大きなプロジェクトでございまして、その収益金をダボに戻しまして学校設立の資金に充てようという計画を立てております。本日の課題のフェスティバル、これはミンダナオ島のダバオ市で毎年8月に恒例的に行われておりますお祭りのことを言います。最近はフィリピン国内からだけでなく、海外からも多くの見物客が訪れております。課題湾という言葉は貴重なものとか美しいもの、優れたもの、またもう一つ人が集うといったふうな意味があります。それぞれの現地の言葉にプラス親しみやすい現地の挨拶の言葉、マダヤウという言葉に由来しております。今日のステージを見ますと、右側にダバオ市のダバオ、それからここにマダヤウが出ております。これは親しみを込めた挨拶の言葉なんですね。そこからカダヤワンという意味が出ております。このお祭りは神様に対し五穀豊穣を感謝するお祭りであります。市内ではストリートダンス大会とか、それから盛りだくさんの花で飾ったダッシーが出たり、それからカラフルな民族衣装、今日もいっぱい出てきますけれども、民族衣装を着た方のパレードだとか、それから歌謡ショーということで、期間中は感謝祭一色のとなる愉快なお祭りであります。本日は短い時間ではありますが、どうぞお楽しみいただきたいと存じます。出演者は全員ボランティアであります。仕事の合間に夜間や休日に集まって今日のために一生懸命練習をしてまいりました。さまざまなグループによるフィリピンの歌と民族の踊りなどということでございます。内容は盛りだくさんであります。途中抽選会を計画されております。一等賞はダボー市への往復の飛行機のチケット代、そして現地でのホテルの宿泊費等がペアでご招待ということでございますので、どうぞお時間の許す限りごゆっくりとお楽しみいただきたいと思います。今日はご来場いただきまして誠にありがとうございました。
Alright, so we move forward with the guests that we have right now. Meron pa tayong report dito ng mga kasamahan natin from various government agencies. So, isa po ang magiging ating panauwing pandalan. And to introduce that person, may we request Mr. Roy Tan, the President of GOS, to please introduce our guest speaker for this afternoon.
Thank you for the introduction. To all visitors, guests, families, friends, and sponsors, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Ayong hapon sa tanan. For on behalf of the Philippine Ambassador, Mr. Manuel Lopez, who is presently out of the country because of official trip, he designated his tourism attaché. He is a wide-minded person who was born on 13th of February in Davao City. He was an honor student when he was in elementary and secondary school. During his college days, he was a Dean's Lister while taking AD at Far East Sophia University in Tokyo. He is also a graduate of General Studies at the University of Manila. He passed some eligibilities like career service, Japanese language proficiency test, and qualifying exam for attaché. He was connected with some offices before he was assigned as tourism attaché in Tokyo. He belonged to some associations and organizations. He attended the World Expo 2005 Aichi, Japan for 6 months as Philippine Pavilion Deputy Commissioner General. He was a director in Association of Philippine Private Alumni of JAPNZ Universities, APPNJU for the period 2000 until 2003. He is a chairman in the Association of National Tourism Office Representatives based in Japan for 2007 to present. He is an advisor in Japan Philippine Tourism Council from 2007 up to present. He is an executive board member in Asian Japan Center from 2007 up to the present. He is a tourism director in the Tourism Working Group from 1997 until 2000. Please join me in giving a very warm welcome to our tourism attaché, Mr. Valentino Calanzan.
Maayong hapon sa kaninyong tanan. Pleasant good afternoon to each and everyone. I'm Valentino Calanzan of the Department of Tourism. Our office is in Tokyo, which is inside the Philippine Embassy. Minasama konnichiwa. First of all, on behalf of the Philippine Ambassador, Ambassador Manuel Lopez, and my department, the Philippine Department of Tourism, I would like to congratulate and thank DOS Japan for bringing one of the country's well-known festivals, Davao's Kadayawan, to Mizunoguchi, Kawasaki, Japan. The ambassador really wanted to come and join you here today, but he is in the Philippines right now, and he would like to send his regards and congratulate at the same time DOS Japan. The President, Mr. Roy Tan, and Joseph Banam, the founder, and the officers and members of the organization. Kadayawan is a popular festival in the Queen City of Southern Philippines that celebrates the bountiful harvest of fruits and flowers. The term Kadayawan was derived from the Mandayan word Madayaw, that refers to something that is valuable, superior, and beautiful. True enough, Kadayawan is Davao's tribute. Its rich and abundant natural resources, its diverse cultural and historical heritage. Kadayawan is a perfect example of how a fiesta should be celebrated. It's part and parcel of the Philippine culture. Different kinds of fiestas are held in different parts of the country the whole year round. This is the reason why we want you to visit us in the Philippines, because like Japan, we also celebrate the harvest. Like Japan, we also want to be with our fellow residents and enjoy a fiesta. These events of color, pageantry, and revelry are our way of expressing our gratitude to the Supreme Being in our love of life. In no other event is the world-famous Philippine hospitality more evident than during the celebration of the fiestas. Have a glimpse of a true Filipino fiesta through the Kadayawan. Enjoy our music, savor our cuisine, and experience the Filipino hospitality. Kadayawan will not only give you the opportunity to know more about the Philippines, but also the culture and heritage of our country. So we look forward to seeing you in Davao, in the Philippines, hopefully in the not-so-distant future. Minasama Davao de Oai Shimasho. Arigatou gozaimashita.
Thank you very much, Sir Calanzan. Thank you very much also for that invitation para magsipuntahan po tayong lahat sa Davao one of these days, lalong-lalo na itong mga darating na mga bakasyon. Basta ako, sigurado pag-uwi ko ng December, meron na akong invitation sa mga tao sa likod eh. So, mukhang may libre na akong important dance. Konti na lang, papasahin na lang. Tapos pag manalo pa ako mamaya, sarap.
Yes, meron tayo ramen mamaya.
Right. Okay. Actually, napakarami po nila ngayon na nandito sa backstage. They have practiced very hard para sa mga
Actually,
presentation.
they prepared for less than 3 months. Grueling rehearsals talaga.
Actually, kahapon nandito nga kami talagang pinag-ahanda nito. So, ladies and gentlemen, simulan na po natin ang mga iba't ibang mga presentations from the various groups from Davao. Una po natin masasaksihan ay ang fan dance.
Yes. So before fan dance, I'd like to give a small trivia lang po para sa fan dance. Para may idea tayo for those na hindi nakakaalam ng fan dance. Fan dance is well known from tribe of Maranao in Lanao del Sur. It depicts a royal manner wherein ladies of the royal court perform a stately dance in preparation for an important event. Parang just like this one. So the ladies gracefully manipulate the upper or appear or the fan while emphasizing their small steps or kini-kini, which is a sign of good upbringing. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the fan dancers.
something we practiced yesterday, and they were really very good. So next, we will have a song number. This one will be coming from the resident comedian of Tokyo. Kasi kilala siya bilang isang magaling na mga awit. At higit pa dyan, siya rin ay komedyan. So ladies and gentlemen, the pride of Davao is Carol Regal.
Hello! Naman tayo, mag-post na ako ito. Picture ba? Alam ko, marami din pamila dyan. Alam mo, first time ko, kinakabahan ako kasi alam niyo kung bakit? Kita niyo damit ko? Maliit lang. Kita niyo ulo ko? Wala lang, butik eh. Hindi mahulog. Nag-jet pa ako, tumayo nga. Anyway, thank you for coming. Thank you so much for the support of DOS, our first event, you know. Para bang malaking event to for the first time in Tokyo. Hindi po speech to. Maraming salamat po sa supportan. Music please. Thank you. Nagka-tracks ng mga pakakol eh. Parang nakabumba. Lagi pa rin yung dating, no? Pag-ibig ko, wakas ang iyong nadarama. Kailan pa man sa'yo'y tililing mo, pusong uhaw sa'yong pag-iiro. Saan ka man naroon sila, pangarap ko'y ikaw, pagkamahal kita. Asahan mo sa habang panahon, alaala kita saan ka man naroon. This is the first and second time to sing a Tagalog song, Kundiman song in Charlie concert. Alam niyo ako po, ako'y slow rapper. Dahil ko sa Taiwan, kailangan kumanta ng Tagalog o Bisaya o ano pa, manhapon sa gitaran. Isa yung Bisaya na rin. Ay sus, lima lang. Kung Tagalog ko, manhapon sa gitaran. Hindi lang po. Asahan mo sa habang panahon, alaala kita saan ka man naroon. Asahan mo sa habang panahon, alaala kita saan ka man naroon. Parang masik. As kasi nag-healing. Hindi ako sanay mag-healing. Lagi ko nag-flat. Kung may hit man, 5 inches. Alam mo ngayon, 7. Last na pag ano, ngilang po. Sakit talaga no. Wala akong tulog 3 days. Para akong may varicose. Ano yung varicose? Ano yung tagal yung varicose? Varicose? Yung pa rin? Ano sa English? Veins. Thank you. The second song. Okay. A little bit upbeat.
ko, ikaw ang mahal ko, tunay na tunay. Ang laging panaginip ko, tanging ikaw. Kung madalas mo mapapaalala na ang puso ko na sa pagsinta, di ko alam ang pag-ibig. Lubusan, kahirap maunawaan sa puso ko ang pagsintang dalisay. Laging wagas kahit mapagpintangan. Ikaw ang mahal ko, ikaw ang mahal ko, tunay na tunay. Sa puso ko dapat sa pagsintang di mo alam.
Seryoso ako kayo, Noy? Seriously ba? Gawin ni Mother. Hindi mo siya kaya? Sa TV po, dancing ang pool eh.
Mahal ko, ikaw ang mahal ko, tunay na tunay. Panaginip ko'y tanging ikaw. Kung madalas mo mapag-alinlanganan sa puso ko dapat sa pagsintang di mo alam ang pag-ibig. Lubusan, kahirap maunawaan sa puso ko ang pagsintang dalisay. Laging wagas kahit mapagpintangan. Ikaw ang mahal ko, tunay na tunay. Sa puso ko dapat sa pagsintang di mo alam. Kahirap maunawaan sa puso ko ang pagsintang dalisay. Laging wagas kahit mapagpintangan. Ikaw ang mahal ko, ikaw ang mahal ko, tunay na tunay. Sa puso ko dapat sa pagsintang di mo alam. La la la, la la, di mo alam.
Maganda ko ito mag-isa.
La
Susunod po natin tawagin ay isa rin sa mga kilalang mga awit dito sa Tokyo. Actually, isa sa mga nanalo sa Otawi. And she's also a member of the Buenos Organized Society. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Eva Takahashi. Kanashi, sorry.
Good afternoon, everyone. Magandang hapon po. Mayong gabi sa tanan. Konnichiwa. Adomo. Ay, kakanta po ako ng Tagalog song. Filipino uta utarimasu. Popularized by Celeste Ligasque. So, para sa minasan. Gamit na sa Davao, diba? So, go po na, Philippine de, ice cream no aji wa irin na aji ga aruんですけども、やっぱりドリアンの、まあ、苦手の方もあるんですけど、でもドリアンのアイスクリームの味では、すごくクリーミーなので美味しいです。だから、ダバオではすごく人気な果物です。それは、ママソペテーロという材料ですね。それは、アイスクリーム持参のタイムになっています。はい、これからもまたよろしくお願いします。あと次はですね、Sharon Cunetaの歌をsino mga fans dito ni Sharon Cuneta? Okay, またTagalogの歌を歌います。これはですね、ちょっとバラードの曲なので。 This song is entitled Pangarap Ni Bukay by Shona Irish Formation. Solo ang langit kung magtatagpuan kapalang di matitikman sa pangalan na basta isang limang silahan at isang ngiting bukas may tanang kikisla gabay patungo sa ating landas. to Charmaine Banan, yung anak ko ni Chairman Joffer. Okay, to Charmaine. And of course, para po sa lahat, minasan mo. Ay, wish mo na siya.